Hello and welcome to Let's Talk SEO. So a few things here before I get into the video. The first thing is that I've been doing an interview with someone who has been in the SEO industry since the very beginning. His name is SEO Lidin, and he's someone who invented terms such as SEO, on-page optimization, semantic SEO, vectors in SEO, keyword optimization, keyword research, topical mapping. He coined all of these terms. But he's one of the biggest names in the industry, but unfortunately very few people know him. And so I've done an interview with him. He's a kind of a shy person, so he needs a little bit of encouragement. He's holding me back from publishing the video. And if you guys encourage him by leaving a comment saying that you want to watch the video, like the video perhaps, and just let him know that you want to watch him and you want to be enlightened by his wise SEO words, then just let me know the comments below. I've been experimenting with this method, finding keyword opportunities and optimizing existing pages to rank, especially pages that have been stuck on, the bottom of page one or the mid of page one for a really long time. I had a few of those pages for clients that were stuck. And using this method, I've been able to optimize those pages. And so in this video, I'm going to show you the method I use. You will need to use Chat GPT Premium because you will need to do some keyword analysis. You will also need to have access to the site's Google Search Console. And once you have all of that in place, just follow through the video as I'll show you, and you'll be able to optimize your page, then make sure that it's re-indexed. And this works like a charm. I'm amazed no one's really talking about it. I've been experimenting with this for a while, and it works great. And so I think you guys should use this. Also, I offer SEO services, or I offer website audit services and a consultation. So if your website is stuck someplace, or you need help with optimizing your site, just visit cloudseo.com, book a consultation, or buy my audit service. I'll be more than happy to help you. Now that we have that out of the way, let me show you my screen. All right, so this is the page we're trying to optimize semantically. It's ranking for quite a few keywords, but I suspect that there are opportunities on this page that I'm missing. And the best way to check and optimize for those opportunities that I might be missing is something that we'll go into this video. So the first thing is we'll go to our website over here. This is our website. As you can see, it's not doing great because I don't really work on it, but you hit on performance here on the left and you hit new over here and page. This will show us all the queries for which, this will show us all the queries for which this page is ranking. So we'll go ahead and hit apply, and you will see all the queries over here. What I'll do is hit export, and this will export and download CSV. Once you do that, if you're on a Mac, you will have to unzip it, and it will create a folder. If you're on a Windows computer, I assume you'd have to do the same thing. You'll then open up, and this is the paid version, and you will need the paid version because this is the only version where you can add an attachment for analysis. So what you'll do here is you will click this paperclip icon, and you'll hit upload, and you open up the folder that was unzipped, and you'll go to queries, so queries.csv, and you'll hit open. And the next thing is you will use this prompt over here. Can you make a list of queries in the attached file that don't appear in the text on this page? And so this is mainly telling ChatGPT to list all the queries that are in this queries file, but that are not on my page. So these are opportunities that I'm missing on the page, and also these are relevant queries that Google associates with the text on the page, but they don't exist on the page. So theoretically and also practically, by adding these, I'm improving the SEO of my page and improving the chances of it ranking higher. So it's given me a list of 12 keywords. The next thing I'm going to ask it is if it can reproduce the text on this page. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to ask ChatGPT to rewrite the text on this page and insert the keywords where it makes the most sense. So the prompt here is going to be a little lengthy. I'm going to go ahead and copy and paste it because I don't want to type in the entire prompt myself. I've been experimenting with this for a while, and this works very well. I've been able to rank a lot of my client sites that were kind of stuck on number 10 and 11. So I think this is something that you will find very useful. So I'll copy the prompt over here and I'll go into it. So it says, can you please rewrite the text on the page using the following rules? And this is the link to the page. And say, I want you to add the keywords listed below in the text on the page so that it appears natural. So we copy and paste the text, copy and paste the keywords that ChatGPT listed as being absent on the page. And then we'll say, if needed, you can create sentences so that they appear naturally. I want you to produce the text in 200-word batches. So you produce 200 words, then wait for the input to produce the next batch. Ideally, we want 2,000 words. So depending on the text you already have on the page, you can maybe ask it to do 1,000 words, 1,500 words, depending again on how much text you have on the page. And so as you can see, it starts producing this text, and it's exactly as it is on my page, except for that it adds the keywords to my page. So there's one tweak that I might want to make to this, and that is asking ChatGPT to bold all instances of these keywords. So you will know where these keywords have been added. And so when you're editing the page, you'll see where the keywords are and whether or not you should remove certain sentences, because you're also dealing with ChatGPT's hallucination, which is quite a bit of a problem when you're working on something like this. And so you have to edit the file to make sure you go through the reproduce text and you delete stuff that doesn't make sense in terms of your business, or rewrite sentences. So this is how you can really improve your rankings. I've taken a website that was stuck on first page, but like number 5 and 6, it will be 5, 6, 5, 6. And I did this, and it really jumped from that to the number 1 spot. So we're number 1 for that particular keyword just by doing this. And so I think this is a great tool. I'm going to use this. I'm already doing this for a lot of my clients, and I think you guys should do this for your website. And there you have it, folks. So this is one of the best ways to optimize your pages. This is not something new. This is something that I've been doing for a while, but it's a long and tedious process if you try to do it manually. But using ChatGPT, this process becomes a lot easier. Let me know in the comments below what you think about this. Also, watch the video with STO lighting. And I know it's got a bit of a tongue twister, but like and subscribe as always, and I will see you in the next video.